We just added a bag of chili cheese Fritos into our bowl. Now I'm coming in with 2 cans of corn, and we're gonna pour that right in there with these Fritos, just like that. All right. Next, we have some red onion here, and we're gonna place that right there on top of those chili cheese Fritos. I think I'm gonna leave a little bit left over. There we go. Now for some red pepper. Ooh, look at how colorful and delicious this is looking. I'm gonna plop all that red pepper in there. I have a nice large red pepper there that I chopped up. And a little bit of cilantro. So we'll put a little gob of cilantro in here, and we're gonna leave a little bit left over for the garnish on top. So just set some of that aside. And then here we have our Mexican style cheese. I'm gonna place a nice large cup to a cup and a half of cheese. There we go, you guys. Look at all of these great ingredients coming together here. Getting a little bit of mayonnaise. I have the real mayonnaise here, and it's gonna be about a cup of mayonnaise. So perfect amount here. I'm just gonna use the rest of what's in my jar of mayonnaise here. It looks like I just made the right amount. Okay, there we go, perfect. Now we have all of that good stuff in here. We're just gonna come in and mix all of this up. Wow, look at all those ingredients, you guys. This little corn salad here with these Fritos is going to blow your mind. Ooh, we have the crunchiness of the chips, and then we have the corn, the cheese, the cilantro, making a little bit of a mess here, but that's okay. That's what cleanup time's for, right? And then all we have is we have this cup of mayonnaise we stuck in for the dressing, and that mayonnaise starts to mix with those chili cheese Fritos, and you have like the best tasting, crunchy, fresh summer salad here. What a neat little twist. Great for get-togethers, barbecues, anything. Oh, I cannot wait to have this. All right, this looks fabulous. Let's come in with the rest of that cilantro we set to the side, and we're just sprinkling that right over the top here, just letting that green color bring out this super fun little summer salad. All right, coming in here with our serving spoon. I cannot wait to have some of this. I've been really honestly looking forward to it. All right, let's give this a try. You guys. Yum. It would say so fresh. Those chili cheese Fritos in here give this such a great punch of flavor. I bet you bring this to a family get together or a picnic, a barbecue, whatever. People are gonna rave about this, and this is gonna be the first time they've ever tried it. Would you try this, you guys? I'm serious. You'll definitely love it. Let me know what you think.